Desperate side chick inside potopoto. Hey, hey, my beautiful and amazing people. Wonders they say it shall never end. Oh, chai! I didn't mean, God they walk like this on top of people wey say they no go mind their business, they no go leave person husband alone. Once dem package man like this, they just see man, whom they don dey grab the man, wan achieve am, wan collect am, wan chop am, wan roast am. Wey you no be akara and kulikuli wey the president wife say make Nigerian women go dey do. God abeg. My beautiful and amazing people, finally, the two-face wey the family of the Egbenidion say they wan see, they don finally see am o. Two-face don finally come scatter the table when we dey try to arrange for a very long time now. Shebi na two-face na im yarn wetin im yarn wey nobody hack im account. E never reach anywhere o. The account wey dem no hack finally don come scatter everywhere, saying that he was misled. He never knew what he was doing. My people, make una carry una popcorn and chill water. Make una dey throw for mouth, make una come hear story. As popular comrade blogger Cutie Juice come out, come expose Two-Face Oja Idibia and Natasha Osaiwaru Orobusa, wey be honourable of the people of Igor, representing the people of Igor. Abi na how they dey take call the name, make una no vex if I no call am well. She come allege say belle wey Natasha carry come give online in-laws, saying that she get belle for two baba, say na fake belle, say na pregnancy bulb dis thing na she put for belle, she use am take deceive Nigerians, deceive two baba join am. We come dey talk say come o, yi, na so una dey do for here. How Natasha take succeed deceive two baba, come she fit succeed deceive online in-laws o, but two baba wey dem dey inside house wey dem dey do basmatic style in the other room, how come wey she take manoeuvre her way take get to two baba wey im no know say Natasha wear pregnancy bomb on top of man wey don born 7 children, 3 from Peru, 2 from Sombo, 2 from Ani. How come im no know say Natasha no get belle, say na pregnancy bulb na im she carry wear take deceive am? Na that one na online in-laws dey shout dey talk o. Na im the family of Two-Face come go meet the Esama of Benin, carry all the complaint go give am, say see the kind abomination wey their daughter don commit. They remember the day wey they come to do introduction on top of Natasha head. Natasha practically told them that she is pregnant, and that is one of the reason wey make sef as dem bin dey drag the matter dey go. Some of the family members say since Two-Face don come for introduction, make e kuku pay bride price so that im go know say im don marry Natasha. Una dey hear the drama so? Make im kuku pay bride price so that im go know say im don marry her. Make e be say na just celebration party after party na im dey go later do if she don born. Na some people, some of them come, the elders come say no, they don do things like that. In as much as say she is pregnant, they cannot pay her bride price. That is the law. That is how they do it. If woman get belle, you cannot collect her bride price until she don born the pikin. Una see where God dey take dey help Two-Face, una see this God, e know wetin e dey do o. That day now, Two-Face go dey see am like, why is it like this? These people want to give me stress. These people want to give me talk. This one, that one. Natasha again go dey disappointed. She go dey pained because she already know the plan. She use the plan of belle take carry Two-Face go house, saying that it is uncalled for. It is never been done in their place. A man wey give you belle, e no come introduce himself to your family, because according to her now, according to the alleged news, saying that all those pictures and videos of Natasha where she dey eat grass, where they play African Queen, was never a marriage, na introduction na im dem do. But last, they wanted to pay bride price. But because she said she is pregnant, they did not pay bride price. As this matter come gbese, they come say the alleged hospital na for Port Harcourt na e dey where Natasha go buy pikin. Pikin no be her own, pikin no be two baba own. Belle she forge am take deceive the family of the Idibias and also her own family and online in-laws. Hey! Now wey the thing be, you know say as the two baba family elders dem go meet the Esama of Benin, as an elder wey im be, he refused to judge the matter based on one-sided story. He said they should go and come with Two-Face. Una know say that time Two-Face kuma e dey for rehabilitation according to the information. Now Two-Face don ready, dem pack theirself with the elders, the same people wey dem gather go that day, go pay go to do introduction wey dem almost pay bride price. The same people e gather dem go. Thank God none of dem wey don kpai, all of dem still dey healthy and sound and alive. Na so dey say Two-Face take pack all of dem go with im mama and im brothers this time around. You know say the brothers bin no gree go for that introduction because they no want Natasha. This time around dem follow the matter, dem follow the process so that they go get story wey dey go come give QT Juice, because you know say the brother Charlie Brave na im dey give QT Juice, popular comrade blogger, information about the whole matter. Now as they reach, see Two-Face, see the Esama of Benin. Two-Face, now we want to hear from you because we have made our findings according to the Esama of Benin. Say but their findings no really dey important. Now whatever Two-Face said, they will now compare it with their findings to give final conclusion. Now Two-Face say he really appreciates the way the man take carry the matter, because normally husband and wife matter is supposed to be two-sided story. The husband own and the wife own. Then God wey know the whole truth. So he no go judge from one side. He really like wetin the man do. Say him wey be the husband, he is here now, that his wife practically told him she was pregnant. She brought results and they were living in the same house. Never for one day did he even suspect that his wife was not pregnant. He never suspected that his wife was never pregnant. That even the day wey she finally ready say she wan born, na dem still carry her go hospital. But she never allowed him, wey be the husband, to stay inside the room wey she wan born. They only came back and said he should sign, say na operation na im dem wan do. He signed, they went back. He even refused to sign. He say on im wives dem, all dem baby mamas, none of dem use operation take born. E take am time before he agree, say because make God no let anything come happen to her, he come finally sign. They go inside. Na only Natasha mama, ni Idibia mama, na im dey inside that room with Natasha that fateful day. They come finally come say she don born o. Two-Face talk say na girl. Natasha come back talk say na boy. Come write am say na April fool. Two-Face dey do una April fool. Confusion start everywhere. They came back home. The mama come say she come dey suspect say woman wey just born under 1 week, Two-Face wan come go for, because if you know say one thing with belle, you no go know when you go born. At an hour you did not expect, na im the woman go take born. At an hour that time, he don already set im trip, im journey to so day before Natasha come born a week before. As he wan go, Natasha say she go follow am. Say she go carry pikin give her mama under 1 week for operation. Make we talk truth. Woman wey do operation take born pikin, even woman wey use im puna take born, wey pikin comot from there, 1 week sef e still dey pepper am small small. Not to come talk of woman wey be say dem tear am take comot the pikin, e never heal under 1 week. Make we no lie. 2 weeks sef e never heal. Some 1 month dem still dey battle with am. Natasha say she don well. Before you know, whom e carry body follow Two-Face travel dis travel wey we dey talk about so. He said he was suspecting in a way, but he really, because he no believe say Natasha would do such kind of thing, all in the name of say wetin be her reasons he cannot really tell. Say not until immediately the family come set their eyes on the child when they wan go do child dedication. The way Natasha take hide the pikin when they don finally wan do child dedication, wey be say una see the picture online, wey dem carry am go give father say dem wan dedicate the child after 3 months abi how many months sef wey dem wan go do the child dedication. Omo, na im when the Two-Face family just set eyes on the pikin, they say no, DNA is needed, because Two-Face in DNA in children no dey crack, in spermatozoa e no dey crack at all. You must definitely know in one way or the other that this child is Two-Face child. Nothing, no resemblance at all. Even the mama wey carry am, e no resemble. Im grandmama, e no resemble. Esama of Benin wey be the mama father, e no resemble. Nobody wey the pikin resemble. Na dey say DNA is needed. Immediately they say DNA is needed, Natasha refused the family from coming close 10 poles since that day. Wey make Mama Two-Face come tear race go meet the Esama of Benin the very first time. If una remember, I even talk am here. Somebody bin dey drag me, madam, how you take know this one, that one? I dey look una. I think as e don burst the whole internet now, una go believe me. Na wey she tear race go say toh she no understand o. If she wan talk to her son, na Natasha dey pick, na Natasha dey tell am when Two-Face go call her back. This one, that one. Esama of Benin say abeg, make she no vex, say na still family matter, make she endure with them, say they will definitely get back. This one, that one. She cry finish, she enter house. Two-Face just give instances, come also still carry documents come of the said hospital allegedly in Port Harcourt there. He carry am still come show Esama of Benin, come give some plenty instances where maybe if him wan do the do, Natasha go say she wan do this one, she wan do that one, it should be in the night, they go off light, they go this, they go that. You know now, just to cover her track and all, because people be don dey ask how come Two-Face is not aware. A Hopuna mechanic is not aware. Hey God, abeg e. He just give us instances. Na im the Esama of Benin, according to his judgment, he said they have already made their findings and they will come to conclude. That he will not say because Natasha na his own. He go come now side Natasha. That him is a plain straightforward person because he has a lot to lose. Say Natasha might not have anything to lose, but him as Esama of Benin, no be today, today he don dey old dey go so. He has got lots to lose, so he will not deceive them, neither will he mislead them. That he has made his findings, and truly, the pikin no be Natasha own. Na buy dey buy the pikin. But wetin in the verse put wey make him call am say it's a taboo, even to the people of Agor and the people of where be Natasha place sef, abeg make una remind me. Say it's a taboo is because Ademe she even want to do something like this, she will carry her husband along. And why doing this when your husband get children already? If he's coming to you, he should come for you for love. Anytime wey pikin wan come fine and good, he's not looking for one. And even the Natasha, she has a baby boy. So not like the both of them, they look for pikin like that. So what is now the essence of she coming to lie just to get Two-Face attention? Say na that one, na him really give am vex, na him provocate am for inside the whole matter. Say but he no fit lie, say Two-Face dey lie, that he cannot do that. What if na him son na him dey involved in all of this? But again, wetin Two-Face wants him to do right now, na him dey say Two-Face say he knows there is nothing that binds them apart from that alligator pepper. Una know say on that day wey they do the introduction, there was a place where they carry alligator pepper and ogogoro come dey tell Two-Face say dis one na alligator pepper be dis oo, dis one na ogogoro oo, dey go blind the eye of whoever wey wan put asunder oo. And again Two-Face, if you know say you are coming because of say you wan come mislead her, she is not like every other of your girlfriends and your wives dem oo. Dis one na Natasha Osawaru blood oo, dis one dat one oo. If you know you are coming to mislead, you better take a back seat now. Dis one dat one, they say a lot that day. He say now he's here. He never paid any bride price on her head wey im go say make dem return or make dem no return. But they did one or two traditional rites on that day. So he's here now for them to tell him what and what he need to do to wipe away his name of the Esama, of the Osawaru, of Natasha matter. What he need to do, because he cannot be with somebody that can lie with such kind of thing. Imagine the gravity of the lie. Just for what reasons that he cannot be with such kind of person? That he respected the Esama of Benin. That is why he even came here in the first place. If not, on a norms, he no go even come. Anything wey go happen, make it happen. He will just dey on his lane, respect himself for where im dey, forget about everything, let the will of God be done. But because he respects the man, because ever since im dey grow, dey come, he never hear say the man get any backyard. The man integrity choke, and that is why he's here. Now the man come say, "Toh, we cannot force you because it has happened. It has happened. You are a man, and I like your approach to issues. That they should go, he will get back to their Two-Face. But he should be rest assured that nothing that goes up will no dey come down. That everything will be all right." Two-Face say, yes, he believe. But you see him and Natasha, for now, no. That thank God there is no any bride price. But you know, see, they do some traditional, and he no want any anything like traditional. In do he go against any tradition. He doesn't want that, and that is why he's here now. Please, they should look into it. Now the man promise and say he will look into the matter and get back to her. For him to have confirmed it, that Natasha actually did what she did just to tame Two-Face, omo, e weak my body like idodo wey fall for inside water. I no go lie una. Because even when Charlie Brave, Two-Face brother, come give Cutie Juice the update, me I no still believe. I'm like, you know say na because the brother no like Natasha. Maybe that's why he talk wetin he talk. But for this one now, omo guys, I no go lie una, the thing weak my body. Say omo, things really dey happen. Desperate side chick, they dey try. No wonder they dey call them chick. Before you know, they go enter side hen. Before you know, you go enter another level. I be this one so. Now be say karma dey work sharp nowadays so. Wey make people need to dey extra careful, because omo, e don be. My people, I say make I tear race, come give una this one. Make una hear me see talk o. Make una drop una opinion for the comment section. What are your advice to Baba at this point in time concerning the whole drama put together? Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, and they bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.